Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nini. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I just want to share with you my newest purchase from LV, the Nguyen handbag. So recently, LV have launched a collection for the fall and winters of 2021, and I didn't like anything from the collection. It's called the Wild at Heart collections. Personally, I am not too much into animal print at all. Even though some of the colors are beautiful, but I decide I'm just gonna pass entirely on that collections. I'm not gonna get anything from that collections. But I am truly in love with the Nguyen handbag that they have. I like the design of it. I think that this bag is at a good price point and also is a very unique design to it. So that's why I go ahead and order this bag. So there are several reasons why I decide to go for this bag. The first reason is because this bag is in such a beautiful design. So I really love the quill shape of it, the quill look. So this right here is the signature V quilting, and then in the back is the weight quilting. And I am falling in love with this. Also the brush gold hardware, it just gives this bag, the vibe of a, vintage bag. And also it's reminding me so much of the Chanel's, classic flap. And I just really love the material that they are using as well. So when you touch it, it doesn't feel like lambskin where it's super buttery and so soft that you feel like you could destroy it in a heartbeat. But this one, it just feels super thick and durable. So that's why when I feel it for the first time, when I hold in it, I feel like, oh, this is a sturdy bag. And for me, that's mean a lot. Because I am not somebody who are super careful when I carry my bag, and even though you are super careful, you could still, scratch it against other surface. So that's why I like it better when the materials are like sturdier, so then I will like be more at ease using. And I really like the chain strap that's come with this. So the strap design is pretty, and also this piece of leather right here is just really comfortable to be wear. And you could wear it this way on the shoulders, or you could wear it cross body. I personally don't know if I will wear this bag cross body, because I don't think the design of this bag gonna look good cross body. So I like it a lot better when I wear it as a shoulder bag. And also I really love that they have a lot of detail going on the hardware itself. So I really like the look of the bag. And also the thing is, this bag is retail under $3,000, and I am surprised because a lot of monogram canvas has increased in their price recently, right? So most of the time I see their bag is around 3,000-ish or more. A full leather bag from them could cost around $4,000, but this one is only $2,550. So I think the price of this bag is unbelievable. And also the inside, because they have like 3 compartments. So here's one big one, here's another big one, right? So in the middle there's also have a zipper compartment, so this just makes it really easy for you to separate your things, and it could hold a lot. And also there's a pocket right here too. So I am in love with the design. I am in love with the size of it. I think I would totally buy one more if they came out with the same bag in a smaller size. I think it will also be super cute. But right now I am really in love with this size. And I like the magnetic closure as well. To me, I like it more when they have the magnetic closure rather than, you know, I have to really go out of my way and put it back into the lock. That is a lot of work for me, to be honest. So I really like the magnetic closure. That's all I need. So here is how it looked on me. I just want to show you guys the must shot of this bag. So I am in love with this design of the wave chain bag that they have. I love the material that they are using, and also I love the price of this bag right here. There is only one thing that is kind of caught me off guard, because when I see the pictures online, all the colors, I don't know, maybe when they took the picture the lining is different, but the bag is a lot lighter than what they have online. So when I see it in the pictures, it's a lot more of a darker brown, but in person the color is a lot lighter than what I thought it would be. On the other hand, I would also really love this bag if I could get it in the black colors. So I am debating whether or not I should get the black color as well. But right now I'm super happy. I think it is really high quality with, you know, good design to it. It's not boring, and at the same time it's have the classic look that is, I don't think it's gonna go out of style. And also the price, oh my god, the price is absolutely perfect for a full leather bag. I think they price it so well this time. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give me a thumb up, and also consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.